Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to our channel. In this video, what we're going to see is about the new departments which have been established by various colleges in Tamil Nadu. And we are going to have an insight about the data available in the website of those colleges. For knowing these details, do watch our video without skipping till the end. But before going to video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's get into the video. First step in this process is opening your Google and do search by typing Anna University CAI, where CAI stands for Center for Affiliated Institution. So if you click on that, just first tab, you will enter into a website where you will find affiliated colleges tabs in that page. So click the affiliated option. By doing so, you will find getting region where colleges available in Tamil Nadu. Based upon your region like Chennai, Kantur, Trichy, Madurai and Tirunelveli, you can select the region where colleges are based upon the first letter of your required colleges, or otherwise based upon the alphabetical list. By selecting the first letter of your required colleges, you can get to know the details of the colleges. In my case, I'm selecting Coimbatore as my region. Inside the Coimbatore region, you will find districts where affiliated colleges here in the Coimbatore region. The available districts are Coimbatore, Dharmapuri, Erode, Karur, Krishnagiri, Namakkal, Salem, Nilgiris, Tirupur. Under each and every district, you will find the affiliated colleges in that district. So I'm clicking Coimbatore now. Here you will be finding a table with serial number, examination code, TNEA counseling code, name of the colleges. So what's the required here is TNEA counseling code. Here we find nearly 74 affiliated colleges in Coimbatore, starting from Aditya Institution of Technology to Vivekananda Institution in an alphabetical list. Now let's see about the top colleges in Coimbatore. For example, Kumaraguru College of Technology Autonomous. By clicking that link, you will find a PDF getting downloaded with your permission. In that PDF, you could find name of the college's address, principal name, phone number, fact number, year of establishment, website link and official mail ID. By scrolling down, you could find the available courses for UG and PG. In the end of the page, you will find the new courses which have been introduced. In KCT, you will find 14 UG departments with the year of starting, sanctioned intake details for previous academic year and forthcoming academic year. In PG, you will find ME, BTech and MBA along with these sanctioned intakes. Let us know. Also click the government affiliated colleges, for example PSG College of Autonomous. By clicking the link, you will find the same stuff as you found KCT. The difference between these two colleges is that in PSG you will be charged with very less amount of money because it's a government aided institution. This college conducts nearly 27 UG courses. Let's see mechanical as an example. In mechanical engineering, 3 types of courses are offered. There are Mechanical Engineering SS and Mechanical Engineering SSW. In Mechanical Engineering SS, which is self-supported, you will have to pay more charge than normal mechanical engineering course. The third mechanical engineering, which is a sandwich course, which is duration of 5 years. In this course, you will have morning lab section accompanied by classes in the evening. So be clear in the selecting between self-supported, sandwich and normal courses available in each department. By scrolling down, you could find new courses in PSG also. Here they have provided 2 courses. The first one is MSc Cyber Security Integrated 5 years course, and MBA course is Vast Management. So coming back, you can also find these colleges by using alphabetical link also. If you find this video useful, please do like the video and subscribe for further updates, and thank you.